Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Keyboard and Input Method. So RMS click. Go into Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Following that, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!